Good morning, guys. We are here in Aurora, South Colorado to do a full sanding job. This is Mr. and Mrs. Burho's house. They just bought it. They are moving out from Florida to Colorado. They contacted me like 3 weeks ago. He did research in the area. They found me. They watched some of my video, my reputation here in Colorado, and immediately they called me. They sent me picture of the floor. They wanted to do a full sanding since the beginning because they have some issues on the floor, some gouges, a little water damage, and also it's wearing out. But yeah, they want to get the floor a natural color, and we're here to do it. In the beginning, they sent me all the information and I did the estimate, and they booked in the spot for today. They said 800 square feet. Immediately when I come here, I took the measurements, and it was a little over 120 more square feet. I did the addition, and they already, of course, they are agreed. They already sent me the payment for the other 30%, because in the beginning I always request 20% just to set up the best day for both of us, and 30% the first day of the job, and the rest of the 50% when we finish. So guys, let me show you what are we gonna be doing today. Beautiful day here in Aurora, Colorado. So, but yeah, like I said, this is the beginning of the house. Look at this. We already have prepared the big machine here to start sanding the whole floor. Is this the area? The customer moved the toilet from here to make it look so much better. Of course, this is some of the damage that they have here, also here. They had a water damage here in the past, the oldest owner. Yeah, this is the house guy. He moved the refrigerator from here to make it look better, because as you can see, when they did full sanding before, they didn't move it. That is why you can see that line over there, because the refrigerator is bigger than that area. All right, guys. Yeah, this is the job for today. Please stay tuned. All right, guys, we're back here because we are ready to apply the sealer. And here I want to show you the Easy Prime, and also we are gonna use the whitener, as you can see over there, because the customer, he wants as lighter as possible. So yeah, guys, we are gonna put it here in the bucket, and I will show you how the floor is looking, just ready to apply the finish. Look at this floor. Oh wow, guys. Oh my goodness, such a beautiful result so far. And like I said, we are ready just to apply the sealer today and come back tomorrow to apply the last 2 coats of protection. This, we take care of every single detail, and this floor, it looks amazing. All right, guys. Good morning, guys. This is the second day and last day of this project. And look at this floor. Before we left yesterday, we applied the sealer, the Easy Prime, with whitener on it, And look at this color. It's a little lighter than just regular floor, but it's what the customer want to do. So look at this, beautiful, beautiful. Now we are just going to start applying the first coat of finish. Then abrade, of course, vacuum, clean, and apply the second one. Alright guys, stay tuned and see the final result. Alright guys, I'm back here to show you the final result of this floor. And look at this. Oh wow. Such a nice job that we did here. The customer is so happy about it. And look at this, how this floor is looking. Beautiful, beautiful, guys. We apply whitener here, just in the sealer. But yeah, it's a little lighter. And this floor is brand new again, guys. Brand new. Beautiful, beautiful. Alright guys, if you want this kind of service, call us at 720-327-1127. And we also can do a screen and recoat, clean and buff, UV finish on it, and wax removal. Alright guys, stay tuned and see you next time.